A lot of it comes down to our DevOps practices that we have crafted all over the years, and we focused on three main pillars. A branching strategy that resembles trunk-based model, continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines that automate a lot of operations, and an effective release management process that involves comprehensive testing of each and every version of the software.
Well, in simple terms, trunk-based branching strategy involves developers working on a short-lived feature branches. They open pull requests multiple times a day. We have unique Jira issue ID related to the pull request included in the branch name or in the commit message, which allows us to automate issue progress on the Jira as well as track its deployments and the environments that it's deployed to.
Well, it's a bit like magic actually. So once the developer is done working with a specific task, they create a pull request and our continuous integration pipeline runs linters and automated test suite on that event. And then the code review process kicks off and the pull request is reviewed by peer team members. And once the pull request is approved, it's merged with the main, and then our continuous deployment pipeline deploys the update to the development environment.
Well, we test every individual issue on the dev environment, and once we're ready to create a new release, create a new branch with a specific naming convention, in this case staging branch, it automatically is deployed to the staging environment where it goes through an extensive regression testing. Once we're done with the regression testing, we draft a new release, mark it as a pre-release so that it's automatically deployed to the pre-production environment where client can test it and play with it a little bit.
That's the best part. So our clients come from many different industries and some of those are regulated businesses. So they need to go through comprehensive user acceptance testing for each and every version of the software. But once they are done with it and they accept the latest version, they decide to deploy it to production. So that's when our delivery manager goes to GitHub and marks the release as the latest one. And that triggers our continuous deployment pipeline that deploys the update to production.